Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be 21 things that I really want to do before 2021 ends. So I've made a video like this before where I shared my 30 before 30. So I didn't want to make a totally similar video. So I decided to make a vision board in this video as well. So if you don't know what vision boards are, I'll put some pictures right here. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So these days I've been working on my body. I have a meal plan that I'm following. So the first thing that I would love to do in 2021 would be to reach my target goal. So the second goal would be to get a tattoo. I always talk about tattoos, piercings, and hair colors, but I don't even have one tattoo on my body. That really sucks. So I really want to have one tattoo that I can say like the start of my tattoo journey. Next thing that I really want to do is skydive. Skydiving is a very fun, adventurous thing that I would love to do in my life. The feeling of it, because I think it will be worth it. Moving forward, just like skydiving, I also want to do a lot of different adventures, especially on my birthday. Last year, my birthday was very depressing. So this year, I want to do something I will remember for the rest of my life. Okay, moving forward, I would love to learn how to skateboard. It's a great way of transport. What we have here, we have a picture of Eiffel Tower. This is because I really want to learn French. So I live in Montreal, Canada, and people there speak French, and I don't know how to speak French, so it does come as an communication barrier. Then of course you cannot, in between your goals, forget about your family. That's it. That's something I really want to work towards, is making sure that I have a good relationship with my mother, just like I already do. Then I have a very cute funny picture of Donald Duck holding money. I want to be financially independent. There isn't a lot I need to say about it. So by this picture, the only thing I really need to represent is going back to black. I have dyed my hair ridiculous colors from the past 2 years, and I think it's time that I give my hair a break, because otherwise they will explode and just give up on me. So the next, that is something I really want to do this year, is to enjoy my summer to the fullest. So yeah. Now this is a picture of New York. I have this picture not because I want to visit USA this year. I have this because I want to have a visa of USA this year. So that is something I want to do, get a USA visa. Now the next is a Christmas tree. Christmas just went. That is something I want to do, is celebrate Christmas in Canada and also have a Christmas tree in my apartment. So the next thing is to learn to drive. Here's a picture of somewhat my dream car. I am not very fond of cars. I want to have a car. I want to learn to drive, basically. That's that. So the next thing is to learn to cook. I do know how to cook. I'm just not great at it. I'm just okay at it. I'm not really good at it, and I want to be good at it. So that is one of my goals this year, to learn to cook. I love eating pizzas, but they are not the most healthy thing in the entire world. So that is something I really want to get into, is be able to make my own pizza. Just with all this responsible goals that I have, I also really want to change my fashion sense, my dressing sense, and I want to get into suits. I want to get into professional suits. I want to look like I own the place, even if I don't. So with the boss lady aesthetic, I also want to start my own business. I don't want to start it in 2021, but I do want to design everything. I wanna make sure that I have, you know, an product that I can sell. If you don't have a product, you cannot sell a product. So have a product. Next picture represents exploring Canada, and I haven't been to one city else than my own, which is Montreal. Example being Toronto, Quebec City, Niagara Falls. Yeah, city like these. So the next picture is of flamingos. If you don't know what they are pink little birds that fascinate me a lot. And luckily I do have a farm that breeds them near Montreal, so I will be able to see them with my own eyes in 2021 if I put the effort into it. So I didn't even realize that my phone got switched off because of battery, and I was talking about my goals. So the last two I talked about was about YouTube and plants. I really want to grow on YouTube, so I want to work hard towards it. I want to upload every single week. That is something I want to do. And secondly, I really want to be a plant mother because I cannot have pets there in Canada. So I thought maybe plants would be a good way to have living beings around me because I live alone. So that is something I want to work towards. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below whatever you want to see next. And if you end up making a vision board like this, please tag me on Instagram. It will be linked down below. So yeah, see you next time.